Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Gina Lynn Cabansag from Ipil, Gonzaga, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I'm 31 years old and I'm happy, married, and blessed with 2 children, ages 4 and 1.5 months. I have 4 siblings, 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and I'm the number 2 eldest. My religion is a Christian and my highest educational attainment is college graduate. And my hobbies are cooking, drawing, and singing. My first employer is a Filipino. I work as a female office assistant here in the Philippines from 2016 to 2017. My duties are organizing the office and assisting the clients. My second employer is also a Filipino. I work as a sales representative from the year 2017 to 2021. My duties are generating sales leads and creating client databases and mastering information by brand and its offering. And my last employer, I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years, from the year 2021 to 2024. And I have served for members of the family, including 2 children, ages 3 and 7. My duties are taking care of the kids, preparing and cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, grocery shopping, and many more. I have also a lot of experience in taking care of a newborn baby, toddler, or children. I'd like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to help savings for my kids' future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.